Hello neighbors and friends, Steven here with etrailer.com. Thanks for joining me while we take a look at our Weight Safe True Toe Weight Distribution Hitch. It's got a 2.5-inch shank on it with a 10-inch drop or 11-inch rise, and it's rated at 18,500 pounds maximum gross towing. So folks, with weight distribution, you're going to get a smooth, even, and safe ride while you're towing. And this kit particular with the scale by Weight Safe makes balancing your load super easy. You don't have to worry about poor handling. It's going to correct sway when you're passing semis or when they pass you, harsh crosswinds, those kind of things, with its built-in tension and the friction points at the bars. Now you're going to be able to check the built-in scale to gauge your trailer's tongue weight. Now, if it's outside of that sweet spot, which should be 10 to 15% of your gross towing weight, you just simply adjust your load, and then you can also use the downloadable app. There are instructions and a QR code here on the product itself, as well as on their website and in their instruction manual that's included. Now, your input, your setup, weight, and measurements in that app, and you're going to get a distributed weight aim that you want to aim for. Now what you'll do is you'll adjust this screw here with the included lift tool. It has a wrench end on it, and all you simply do will move this in or out or up or down, whichever you want to word it, and that's going to adjust the pitch of the head, and that's going to give you the pitch you need into that scale, gives you the correct weight. So it's going to give you peace of mind for your journey. You're also going to get an included hitch lock. It's got a rubber cover on it for keeping out debris and dirt and everything. You get a pair of keys. They are a tubular style key, so they're round. It's much more harder to pick than your regular flat keys that are out there. Now this whole thing is made of a high strength steel. It can support those heavy loads, and the ball is a stainless steel hitch ball, a 2 5/16 inch to be exact, and that's going to make it rust proof and also built to last. You don't have to worry about corrosion, any of that. Now this whole system is V5 and J684 certified for your safety. Now, like I said, the max towing weight is 18,500 pounds for this particular unit. You get everything you see here. You got spring bars, you've got brackets, you've got the L pins to hold the spring bars in place, and then once again, you've got the lift tool. So I don't know if you've ever used these before, but if you haven't, we've got lots of information on our website here at etrailer.com that explains how to set them up, those kind of things. With this particular unit, you have a sway control bracket positioning. You need to have between 27 and 32 inches from the center of your coupler. So right here on top of the ball, down the side of your frame at that angle, following that frame, you need to be between 27 and 32 inches. That's what this is designed for. Now let's say you get that measurement on your particular setup, you have something in the way, you may potentially have to move a bracket or something like that, a couple inches, but again, check the owner's manual as far as that goes. Now the maximum trailer height that this is rated for is going to be 6 inches tall. Now that being said, if you need an additional height here, we do offer up to 8-inch ones. Those are sold separately. And again, this whole system here has a max drop of 10 inches, or you can flip it over and you'll get a max rise of 11 inches. The spacing between the holes for the head unit here are 1¼ inches on center, and the pinhole diameter is 5/8 of an inch on the hitch pin. So folks, again, a lot of information here. This again is the Weight Safe True Toe Weight Distribution for a 2.5-inch shank with a 10-inch drop or 11-inch rise, rated at 18,500 pounds. I'm Steven. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe while you're towing, please.